Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you our Oldsmobile Cutlass that we nicknamed Alligator. It's painted in candy green, has a built 455. If you want to find out more information on this ride, click on the link below. It probably is going to be sold before this video even goes live, but I wanted to showcase this thing. This is the cool thing about cars. You know, we like muscle cars, we like exotics, and I love cars that just flash, just like this. This is the perfect South Beach cruiser. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. I'd rate the paint job on this one probably a 6 out of 10. It shows extremely well from 10 feet away. Wheels are probably more expensive than the paint job, just so you know. It's rolling on a set of 26-inch Savannis. It does have Willwoods in the rear, and it does have a factory disc brake conversion up front. Interior is nice, it's usable. Glove box is affixed with duct tape, just so you know. That's just so we could do the video. The trunk has, I believe, 2 15s in the back. Let me get the keys. When I got it, I bought it because I'm going to show you later on, it's the motor. It's got a built 455. This thing is a rocket ship on huge wheels. And I don't discriminate against cars. I love everything. So this is the polar opposite of what you would normally see on our site. And I just think it's cool. So it's got a Q-bomb setup with 2 audio pipe 15s, and it's got Dynamat everywhere. External battery for the, basically this is the capacitor for the system, I'm assuming. Starts up easily. It has a fuel injection system, has a sniper setup, fiberglass hood. Look at that. That's what made me buy this thing. So there's appraisal paperwork in there that's saying that it was appraised for $75,000, but I know a lot of people do that for insurance. This motor, I have receipts from the restoration shop when they did the fuel injection system, the motor build, which is a 455, the March setup up front with the pulley set, and it does have cold air and a brand new top. Big radiator. This thing sounds amazing. So when it's going down the road, which you're going to see shortly, it makes you smile because it just shouldn't be drivable like this, and it is. I'll start it up in a second. So how to start it, it does have a fuel injection system, so you're gonna click the computer system so it'll turn on. I don't know why they didn't do it to the ignition, but it's there. You have vintage air, which works properly, and then you have a crazy stereo system with a head unit set up here, some speakers that come out of the center, and it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. That CD is not mine, by the way. Let's start it up. Starts up easily. When it's hot, you have to give it a little bit of throttle. I think it's a TPS issue for the fuel injection. But listen to that. That's American power, baby. 455 power. Let's jump in and go for a ride. We're inside the Cuddy right now. Dash is actually really, really nice. You do have vintage air, so you just flip this, and it's cold. The top is brand new. It's a nice cruiser. If you bring this to South Beach, you could probably rent it to people. I wouldn't advise it, but you could. So training feels great. It's actually not bouncy. Let me do a little turnaround here. Brakes are easy, but it does need, I think, it stops fine. You can drive this thing as it sits because we just went through the brakes. So we just put a brand new master cylinder on it. But one thing I noticed is obviously you can hear the motor camming if you put a Hydro Boost setup, that's gonna run off the power steering pump and you won't have any sort of brake fade. I don't have any brake fade right now, it's stopping fine, but just something to look into if you're driving. We're gonna take it out on the Ravenswood so we can get you guys some outside shots. It's peppy. Oh shit. Whoa.
Not ready for that.
No, my bad, man.
The camera almost went flying.
It's fast.
Yeah, it's got some.
I love this thing. It's just cool, and the steering is actually tight. It's not loose.
Why don't you take this to Orlando?
I might take it to Orlando. I was gonna take I was gonna take the F-150. You don't you dare me to drive this to Orlando. It feels like it has, I don't know, 600 horsepower? Probably 550, 600 horsepower.
Yeah. It's got some big wheels to move.
Yep. We're gonna take it out here so you guys can see it from the outside. Tranny shifting fine. It feels good. The cowl hood looks good. It's a showstopper for sure. Easy to do. Whoa, woo, woo! Oh my God! Oh man, it's a boogier. But we're cruising at 0 miles an hour right now. Let's see, we'll get it up to speed a little. So right now we're probably going, I would say 50 miles an hour, 55, and it's easy to drive. I'm gonna pull over here and we'll get you guys some outside shots. Hope you guys are enjoying this test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call. See you later.